Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Paxful application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Paxful application on your iPhone, first, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data and tap Open App Store. Go to the search bar at the top and tap it on. Type in Paxful into the search box and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. This one's the app we are looking for that says Paxful, Marketplace and Wallet. Simply tap on the download button to begin with the downloading process for the application and wait until it gets downloaded. Paxful is a global trading platform where you can easily buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum and Tether from millions of users. The app is functional, safe and easy to use on all of your devices. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap and there you have successfully downloaded Paxful application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.